A muster station is a designated area on a ship where crew members and passengers gather during emergencies, such as abandoned ship drills or actual evacuation. It serves as a crucial point for ensuring the safety and accountability of all individuals on board. Each muster station is clearly marked and equipped with safety equipment such as life jackets and emergency signal devices. The stations are strategically located throughout the vessel to provide easy access for passengers regardless of their location during an emergency. Regular drills are conducted to familiarize everyone with the procedures and to ensure a prompt and organized response in case of an actual emergency. Most importantly, it enhancing overall maritime safety. Fire alarm. When the fire alarm is activated, crew and passengers should remain calm and promptly proceed to their designated muster station. Trained crew member will assess the fire location and severity, utilizing fire detection system to gather information. Firefighting teams will don protective gear, gather firefighting equipment like hoses and extinguisher, and engage in firefighting efforts, while the bridge maintain communication to coordinate the response and ensure all personnel are accounted for through a head count. Abandoned ship alarm. The abandoned ship alarm signals that conditions are dire enough to warrant evacuating the vessel, compiling all crew and passenger to swiftly proceed to their master station. Crew members should help passenger put the life jackets and prepare for boarding lifeboats or life raft, ensuring that all safety protocols are followed. A meticulous head count is performed before launching lifeboats to ensure that no one is left behind, and the crew must communicate clearly with passengers throughout the process. Man overboard signal. Upon activation of the man overboard signal, immediate action is required to stop the vessel and execute a maneuver that allows retrieval of the person in the water. Designated crew member must prepare rescue boats, deploy flotation devices, and maintain a lookout for individual while the bridge communicate the situation to all personnel on board. The crew must also conduct a head count to confirm the safety of all remaining individuals on vessel. CO2 alarm. The CO2 alarm indicates a potential fire in machinery spaces, requiring all personnel in the affected area to evacuate immediately to ensure their safety. Crew members must ensure that the area is clear of individuals before discharging the CO2 system, as it can be hazardous in enclosed spaces. Continuous monitoring of the situation is critical during and after the discharge to confirm that the fire has been suppressed and that is safe for personnel to return. Engineer's call. An engineer's call signifies an urgent situation in the engine room, requiring engineering personnel to report immediately. Engineers must quickly assess the situation, conduct diagnostic to identify issues, and implement necessary corrective action or repairs. Throughout the process, the bridge must be kept informed of the status and any action taken, ensuring that all crew members are aware of the situation and any potential impact on vessel operations. Cargo hold flooding. If cargo hold flooding occurs, crew members should quickly activate bilge pumping system to manage water levels and mitigate further flooding. Personnel must assist the source of flooding and report to the bridge to coordinate any additional measures needed, such as isolating affected compartments. Evacuating affected areas may be necessary to ensure the safety of all individuals on board, while the crew communicates effectively to keep everyone informed. Pollution prevention. When a pollution prevention alarm sounds, immediate action is required to activate containment measures to prevent the spread of harmful substance. Crew members must identify and secure the source of the pollution if feasible, while promptly notifying the bridge and relevant authorities about the situation. Following the vessel's pollution response plan is essential to mitigate environmental impact, and crew should engage in cleanup efforts while ensuring the safety of all personnel. Engine room flooding. If flooding occurs in the engine room, crew member must immediately activate the bilge pump to control water ingress and manage the situation. The engineering team should assess the cause of the flooding, identify any potential risks to machinery, and implement appropriate control measures to mitigate damage. Continuous communication with the bridge is vital for coordinated response effort, with updates provided on the situation to ensure the safety of all personnel on board. The training and drills in the maritime are crucial for ensuring that crew members and passengers can respond effectively to emergencies, thereby enhancing overall safety aboard vessels. Regularly scheduled drills familiarize everyone with the emergency procedures, equipment, and roles which help reduce panic and confusion during actual incidents. This preparedness not only aids in the swift and orderly execution of emergency protocols, but also foster and cultural of safety awareness and competences, ultimately minimizing risks and potentially saving lives in critical situations.